Hi Elliot, how are you? I think you are doing well. So basically, this is the your site overview, how you control your site from backend. So for the security purpose, I'm not sharing the login credential in the video because I want to upload it in my YouTube channel, and I want to share you the URL through Fiverr. So basically, from here, if I show you the home page, this is the basically home page. And no, sorry, this is not home page. Let me move on the home page. So basically this is the home page. So if you want to change any content, any images from the home page, then you have to click the edit elementor. So after complete the loading, you can see everything you can change from selecting any elements. And if you know how to edit the content through Elementor, then you know everything. But for the test purpose, I'm showing something like you can change the titles, every content from here. So this is the basic thing. And if you want to change like the from, this is the custom build, and for the user purpose I build it through the Elementor widgets. And from here you can change everything. Like if you want to change the content, like select your license type, then you can change the text from the right side, sorry, from the left side, and you can change the content and text from here. And if you want to change the category C rigid and category C plus E, everything you can change from the left side. If you have to click the item from here, and you will find everything, every text from here. So you can change everything. Like you can see category C rigid here. If you change the category C rigid, then it will change from the from. So this is the main thing. Okay, so this is the form sector. If you want to change the slider, then you have to just select the widgets and elements, and you have to change the text from here. In every slider you can change from here. You have to just select the elements, and you have to change the content and icons from here. So this is the thing. Basically, this is the basic thing. And from the license part, if you want to change the license like the category list, so let me check on the live side. So this is the license part. Basically this is the slider. If you want to change the slider content and the pages, so you have to do from the back end. You have to go on the license menu and click all license. So here we build the 5 license. So if you want to change any content like this category C plus and the short description or titles, so you have to click the edit button, and you can find this is the basically this is the oh, basically this is the hive. You can change the title from here. Like if I just for example I added 3D, and if I update and if I reload it, then you can see here already added the 3D. So from here you can change the content, text, titles, and like the description. Here you will get the description like expert. For the description change, you have to change the description from here. So you can change the description, and if you want to change the thumbnail or feature images, so you have to click here and upload. If you want to upload, so you have to select files and upload your files. And if you don't want to upload, already uploaded in the media library, then you have to choose from here. So this way you can change the feature images like these images. You have to change your the feature images yourself. So I just put it in a dummy, so you can change yourself. And if you want to change any license page, like if I click the learn more, and then the page is open. And when you have to edit the content and everything from here, so you have to click the edit with Elementor page. So from here you can change anything like the content. From here you can change the title and the images from here or icons. And if you want to change the title from here, you can change it from here. Also same the slider, you have to choose the elements and change the titles and descriptions and titles, everything. And if you want to change the images, so here you have to change the images to select it. So this way you can change everything from the page, from the license page. Even every page you have to click the edit with Elementor, and you have to select the content which you want to change, and then you have to change the content or images or icons, anything you can change from the left side. Okay, for the testimonial or Google reviews part, when you are, if you want to change from the Google reviews, basically this is the dummy content, so you have to change the dummy content from the backend. So you have to go on the testimonials menus and click all testimonials. Let me leave it from here. And for the dummy purpose, I just inputted three reviews. If you want to change the three reviews, then you have to click the edit button. Then you can see the reviews content here. If you need any, if you want to change any content or text, then you can change from here. And if you want to input the client images, then you have to choose the feature images. And when you click the feature image, then you can upload or just select the images which you want. Then just you have to click update. Then it will automatically update the review sections. Okay. And all the section is the basic. If you need to change the content or text from here, then you can change the text from here. And if you want to change the boxes, then you have to choose the boxes. And from the left side you have to see, if you want to change the icons, then you can choose yourself which you want. Or if you need to change the text, then you can change from here. So basically this is the basic thing. Every section I implement the basic thing. Basically I want to show you the complex thing which actually you want to know how to control this part. So basically the review section is a complex part for my site. That's why I show you. And others all things are simple. And the form section I already explain you how to control the from sections. Select your license types sections, so you can change from here. Anything you can change from here. So in the left side widget area, you can change the content, the titles of every selected item. You can change from here. Okay. One more thing, let me open the live site again. So I completed I think I completed the home page. Okay, let me explain about the job section again. I think I already opened the home page. So basically this is the home section. Okay, you can't change anything from the edit with Elementor page. You have to go on the WordPress admin sections, and you have to go the job section. Here is the jobs menu. Then you have to click the all jobs. If you want to create new jobs, then you have to choose add new jobs. If you want to edit any jobs, then you have to click all jobs. Then from the job list you have to edit any of which you want to change anything. Then you have to choose this specific jobs. Like for example, let's try to edit something in class 3 drivers jobs. And from here you can see, let me first choose the class 3 drivers. So basically this is the class 3 drivers. If I want to change the class 3 drivers all content and pricings and time, everything I can change from the backend. Like here is the job urgency or priority things. So this is the high priority. If you want to change it's normal, then you have to select the normal thing and update it. For example, I have to just refresh it to show you how it changes. So basically you can see the class 3 drivers are nothing here. If I choose it just urgent, you can see here is nothing to display in right side after the title. So I select the urgent and update. Then let's refresh it again. Control F5 for hard refresh. Waiting for the reload. Okay, the reload is completed. Now you can see the class 3 driver jobs are the priority section is updated. This is urgent now. So you can change from here anything which you want basically. Even the company names, the national company names, you can change the company names from here. And the salary type, you can choose annually salary or monthly salary from here. Also, if you want to change any pricing, then you can change from here. This is the input field. You can input anything which you want basically. And after update, after changes everything, you just click the update button. Then it will update automatically. See, the high priority is already changed. So this way you can change anything from the backend in the job section. If you want to add any new jobs, then you have to click just add new jobs. From here you have to choose a title, then the jobs criteria you have to fill and just publish it. Then it will automatically appear here in the slider sections. Or if you want to click the view all jobs, then also here it will show the all jobs in here. Basically we have all just 3 jobs. That's why in this job page all just only displaying the 3 jobs. So this is the way you can change or add any kind of jobs from here. And another thing, when any users or any customer when click the apply now, then you he or she will see this type of form, and then he will fill the form. When he will fill the form and submit, then in backend you can go the HGB form menu, and from here the form list, when you click, then your all customers or all clients when submitted any form that will come here. And from here you can check the date and the name and the email, contact number, everything you can see from here. And which message your customer sent to you. To check the message, you have to click the view message button. When you click the view message button, then you can check the message from here. For example, if I choose I choose all dummy things from here. For example, I choose anything from the drop down. Let me took the content from our site. For example, I choose this content for the dummy purpose and inputted it and submit it. Okay, the form was submitted successfully. Let's close and again click the form list. So now you can see the date is come for my current date 20 from the date from the deadline. You can see the form was submitted, and when you click the view messages, then you can see the dummy content which I copied from the job section. We are working with the leading employees across the UK to connect qualified drivers with the jobs. The same content I submitted from the as a customer. So you can check every messages from the backend, the from list. Okay, so this part is completely okay now. So another complex part is if you want to change any license pages, just you have to go the license page and edit with elementors. And then you can change any content from the elementor yeah, elementors elements. When you click the elementors elements, then you can see everything is editable. Just you have to click the elements and change the content or images or icons, whatever what you want to change. You can change anything from here. Okay. Another complex part is the license, the locations part. So basically, this is the location part. If you want to change the location, then or add the location, first of all, you have to go on the back end of WordPress admin sections, and then you have to go on the all locations. For example, in the southwest, where is the southeast? This is the southeast. As you can see, the list I created, all lists are here, and you have to select the list like the Bristol southwest. Sorry, this is my bad. This is the southwest, basically this part. If I want to add, as you can see, here is no link are connected here. As you can see, no link are connected here. So for example, if you want to connect or add any menu in the southeast, then you have to go here and add location and name it which you want, or you can also remove from here. And if you want to connect the Bristol to any page, then you have to select the select page drop down, and you have to choose from here. For example, first of all, I have to create the page or duplicate the base. uh, Let me find the location page. Where is the location page? Let's see, this is not the location page. Driving C London master home locations privacy. Hmm. I think this is the location page. Yeah, this is the Manchester from the Northwest group. So let's go on the Northwest group. So basically, this is the Northwest group. Let me click it, Manchester. For example, I want to connect the Manchester page from here. Then I have to select the Manchester page. For example, this is the Manchester page. Select it and update it. After update it, it will automatically connect to the Manchester page. For example, if I go the locations page again and drop down, and if I click the Manchester, then as you can see, the Manchester page is open. So that's the way you can connect or any kind of menu in the location page. Okay. Or if you want to add more locations, for example, I want to duplicate this page, so I have just clicked the duplicate page button. Then as you can see, this is wait a minute, so this is the duplicate page of the Manchester location page. So first of all, I have to change the menu name. For example, I have to choose the menu from the location space. For example, I want to do the weekend. I copy it and just paste it here and update it. And let me publish it. Published. So from the locations page in the backend, just reload it. And from the weekend, I have to select the weekend. So basically, this is the weekend location page. I select it and update it. For through this way, the weekend page will connect. For now, you can see this is not linked. If I reload it, then you can see this is already linked. to the weekend page. If I click it, okay, just one more thing. Sometimes Elementor can do this type of breaking issue. So if you face any kind of this type of breaking issue, then you have to just click anything and do like this way, do any space or anything, and just publish it. After publish complete, if I reload again and click the weekend menu, then you can see nothing is broken, everything is perfectly okay. So sometimes Elementor can do this thing, do this type of broken. So just you have to go to edit with Elementor and change anything, or just do a space and publish, then it will automatically solve the issue. Okay. So this way you can change or edit any kind of page or duplicate any page and connect with the locations menu. And if you want to add any location group, for example, we have for example, let's go location page again. So basically this is the group, this is the northwest group, and this is the southeast group, and this is the southwest group. This is the basically group. So if you want to create any groups, then you have to click from the WordPress admin menu, add new location group. Then you have to choose the name, and the title would be displayed like northwest. For example, let me do on thing, for example, and publish it. And if I reload the location page, let me order it. Okay, so without add any location menu, it will not display it. So you have to first add any location menu, like for example, this is uh, demo location, and update it. So you can see the demo locations. So this way you can add any group, add any menu as much as you want. You can add many kind of menus from here, or you can remove the menus from here also. Also, if you want to add any custom URL, then you have to put the URL from here. So this is the way you can any kind of a group you can add, or any kind of menu you can add from here for the locations. Okay, so basically this is the way you can change any kind of content, any kind of text, any kind. If you want to change any kind of pages, so you have to just click the edit with Elementor, and then you have to change the content which you actually want to change. Just you have to choose the exact elements which actually you want to change. Then for example, the 10,000 students trained, if you want to change this, then you have to just change from here, then it will change automatically. So that's the way you can change any kind of page, any kind of content from the edit with Elementor page. So I think now you can understand everything. So from the backend, if you want to add any kind of locations, from here you can change the all locations menu. From the all locations menu, if you want to change the from fields, so you have to click the from edits button. Then you can change the recipient email. You have to change from here. Yeah, which email you will enter it and save it. Then that mail you will get a mail when user will submit the form. And you can change also the from first name and from last name. Every single content you can change from the form sections, which basically opened when user will click apply now button. This form, every content you can change from the backend. From the backend you can change everything, even the list also you can change. Basically every line will be displayed like the drop down way. So you have to put the line from here, so that line will display it from the drop down. So this is the so basically this is the from backend page where you can change everything. Also, when user will submitted the form, then you can check from here. Also, you will get the mail also as well. Okay, if you want to change any kind of license, content change or feature image change, then you have to select the all license page, and from here you can edit and change everything, which I previously already had show you. So you can check. And if you want to change any jobs, then you have to click the all jobs and click the edit, and you can change any kind of thing which you want actually changed, even though the testimonial things. Oh, one thing I forget actually, for the course page. So for that case, I have to go on the CPC page, and from here, if you want to, if you have multiple of courses, then this way, the pagination way, the courses will be displayed. And when user will click the book now button, then they have to fill the full name, contact number, locations, and also the packages from the list. And so how you control it from the back end, you have to go on the course page, course menu. So let me open the course page now. So basically here we have eight course we have for the demo purpose. If you want to change any course, so just you have to do the change the titles, the course date and the time and the locations. Anything you can change from the location, any text you can input it here. Also the course price, if you want to change the course price, you can change from here and you have to update it. And if you want to add new course, for example, let me do it. This is the demo course date, for example. Let me copy it from the first one, the date, and here, for example, 12:07 a.m. online, and price would be 10, and publish it. So reload it, the CPC page, and in the pagination 2 or the pagination 1, you can see that this is the demo course. When you will click, then you can see the all the list for the for this course. This is the demo. I saved the £10. If a user can select multiple, but maximum user can select 5 courses. So basically, this is the way you can uh, remove anything or edit anything or add anything from the course. And for the package list, here we have the two products especially. So full 35-hour course, same name, we have two products. If you want to change the pricing, you have to click the edit button and change the pricing. Also, if you want to change the content, you can change from here. Same thing for the second one as well. So this way you can change the product list from here. And also I have to show one thing more. No, that's all for the package list. So this is the main thing. So this way you can change anything from the edit with elementor page and from the WordPress admin section. We added the all menus customized fully customly, so you can change easily from here. Also, if you want to change the header section and footer section, then you have to go template menus and go theme builder, and you have to go the header section and simply you have to click the edit button, and from here you can edit your menus. Basically from the menu, this is basically coming from the appearance menu sections. If you want to change anything from the menu, like the title, or the direct page, then you can change from here. Then when you will change from here, then it will automatically appear here as well. So this is the way you can change also the site logo, also the button links. Basically we have the button links. I think this is the pop-up. This is the pop-up. When I click the get quit button, then it will pop up. So this is not a page. So basically this is the our form. Yeah, similar way, if you want to change the footer section, just simply click the footer and you can change anything. You can change anything from here. You just select the footer menu. Like from the menu sections, you can see in the top section, in the drop down section, you can see the footer menu, primary menu, training courses, everything you can find from here. You just have to select it and select menu, and you can see the menu list. From here you can change all menu names or pages from here. If you want to add any page here, you just simply go or select the view all pages, and from here, for example, let me pick the cookies policy and add to menu. After add menu, just simply click save menu, and if I reload the footer section, so as you can see, the cookies policy already added here. So that's the way you can add or remove anything from here. If you want to remove, just simply click remove and save menu. That's the way you can remove your menu or add your menu. So I think that's all. If you need anything more, so we will definitely provide you another tutorials for that specific part. So thank you trusting us and giving us the project. Okay, so bye.